Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it's doing pretty well, and the main thing that's doing very well, or the main industry that's doing pretty well from the last 24 hours is the meme coins, especially Pepe. You guys can see is leading the charts by quite a margin. Recently I started a new series where I show you guys some new tokens which are yet to release and you can get into early, and the response from my viewers has been really positive, so we're gonna keep that going. Right now Shiba Inu is also a sleeping dog, and the one I'm about to show you right now, which you guys should try to get into early, is related to Shiba Inu, and the one I'm talking about is Shiba Shootout. Now this is also based on Shiba Inu dog, but the only difference is this is from the olden times. This is from the cowboy era. It's going to be called Shiba Shoot. Usually the pre-sale token which I show you is already been out for a little bit of time, but this one is still very early. If you guys see, there is only $320,000 which has been put into this token right now in this pre-sale. Also, if you pay attention to the staking return, you get about 3,700% per year. Now you might think, Sky, this seems too true or too much to be true. Well, just keep in mind it's because it's so early. As more people are going to be staking more token, that amount of return is going to go down a little bit, so you want to get into it early. Right now the price is sitting at one Shiba Shoot to about 1.8 cents, and at the same time the price will go up in about 22 hours since you watched this video. Now step into the digital theater of the Wild West, where cryptocurrency world is buzzing with the legend of Shiba Showdown. The high stakes battle set in the heart of the Wild West crypto theater goes beyond the ordinary clash, and there is so much creativity that is going into this. Meet the characters of the theater. The first one is Marshall Shiba and Shiba Sharpshooters. So these are the two that's going to be taking over the market very soon. Now explore the town of SKYCLOUDS. At the heart of Wild West crypto lies the Shiba Glutch. Now this is, you need to understand, if you just pay attention to the artwork which has been around this token, is actually really good. And keep in mind, usually with meme tokens, depending on how well the meme is going out and at the same time what kind of artwork is coming out, those are the two main driving factors of seeing a big return. And right now they have spent quite a large amount of margin of money to make sure that this artwork looks very good. Witness the greatest crypto showdown that will be happening right now. Now cactus staking, utility ideas. Now you guys need to pay attention. Poses reward. Join the Poses reward referral program. Invite a friend to Shiba Showdown community and earn bonus tokens for your referral. So this is a good thing. Campfire stories. Regular stories will be coming out where the community members will be able to share. Token governance roundup. Cast your vote on the key project decisions. This is one of the ways to get more people interested. And lucky lotteries will be happening, and staking. Stake your showdown tokens on cactus and digital desert landscape with the cactus. The longer you stake, the more you will be able to accumulate. Now what is the plan right now? Just make sure the launch is done. Coin market cap over 1,000 holders, 5,000 over time, SEC listing over 10,000 holders, and then make sure that the tools, merchandise and everything goes well. What is the tokenomics like? 35% is going to the pre-sale, 20% to staking, 10% to the project funds, 10% to liquidity, 20% to marketing, and 5% to the tooting shooter fund. Now this is really good, because this is the time that you guys need to understand this is a really good team that's actually running all of this. They have so many plans, and at the same time, if you look at their audit, it's doing very well. When I mean that it's doing very well, let's just say there is nothing wrong with it. Everything is green with this token, and there is no problems. If you look at their Twitter, it's still very early. They have only about 400 followers. Exciting news. Stay tuned for big announcements which will be coming very shortly, and in 23 hours they do have a decent views, 600, which is more than their followers. So this is still really early, and trust me, when I look back at this token in a couple of days, you will be able to see that there is a huge difference in the price, and at the same time there will be a lot more buzz around this token. If you do want to check it out, I'll link it down in the description. Just, simply go check it out, decide for yourself. If you did enjoy this video, subscribe, drop a like on it, and I'll see you soon.